Hey guys, what's up? I'm still on the hunt for the big tarpon on the beach. Just getting done today actually. I hooked a fish, but I didn't get any jumps out of it, so I want to show you guys that. But I met a guy today named Adam, and he actually hooked 2 fish and jumped the second one, got a good couple jumps out of it and got to fight for a little while. So this is just some raw footage of Adam. It turned out pretty cool, so I'm going to show it to you guys and throw it up on the channel. The beach fishing is friggin' off the chain right now, so that's what I've been doing a lot. It's been kind of frustrated, but I'm kind of zeroing in on it, and I think I got something that'll work. He gave me one of the baits, and hopefully I'll get one tomorrow because I'm coming back. Alright, check it out. Damn! There you go. Nice. Good for you, brother. There you go. There you go. Nice, dude. Get her done, man. Wow. It's a good one, brother. Nice. Good job, man. Wow. Nice job, brother. I am filming it, brother. Camera's on. You're gonna be around for a while. Good job. You gonna make me buy one of those baits, eh? Nice fish.
Here comes.
You got a ways to go, brother. Your fish is way, way out there. Nice job, dude. Congratulations.
Thanks,
no problem. Yeah, that's cool, dude. Wow. That's freaking awesome. That one's over 100.
Think so?
Yeah, I think so. It's a good fish. You're gonna make me buy some of those lures.
Oh, I'll give you one. No, seriously, I got a couple.
Yeah.
They're, you get them at Bass Pro Shop. They're in the back section.
What are they called again?
They're called...
Oh, yeah?
You gotta get the hooks with them, too.
That's cool. It's a nice fish, dude.
I've never caught one.
You don't know?
I've caught one. Well, I hooked one. I never landed one. I hooked one on a boat.
What size leader you got going on?
50.
Okay, you might be alright.
And if he's hooked in the corner, I'll probably fine. It's either 40 or 50.
we won't talk about leader anymore.
Just gulp there.
Yeah, that's a nice fish, dude. You definitely got a while. Wow, that was nice. That was real nice.
Oh,
you lost him?
Yeah.
Oh. That's alright, dude. Good job, brother.
Hey, thanks, bro.
No problem. I got a YouTube channel. I'll put it up there.
Can you send that to me?
Yeah, dude.
Or give me your information.
Just check out Jupiter George Fishing on YouTube.
Jupiter George?
Yeah, and then message me on one of the videos or something.
Oh, yeah.
Or check me out on Instagram under Jupiter_George Fishing. And then DM me.